Hi, thank you, and welcome everybody. We've had some nice sky conditions at times. Of course, we've had some strong storms in here last couple days, and that threat will continue as we head into the evening tonight. We'll still contend with a slight risk of severe weather over the region, and so gusty winds and hail are going to be the main concerns. Of course, can't ever rule out something may be spinning up, but it's a low-end chance. It's a level 2 out of 5 threat here. Again, almost exclusively for wind and hail. And then again tomorrow, more of an isolated threat with additional scattered storms possible throughout the afternoon and evening. In fact, they'll continue even into the day on Saturday, and our temperatures will slowly cool down. Here's the look at the severe threat according to the Storm Prediction Center on our Friday. And most of the state, eastern part of the state, under a marginal threat. That's a level 1 out of 5. And some of the areas though west are under a slight risk of severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5. A little bit higher chance there, a little bit lower chance in the green. Again, almost exclusively for wind and some small hail. We also have a marginal threat of flash flooding. And so some heavy downpours certainly possible underneath these storms. As we look at, check things out here on the forecast model going into our Friday morning, really hit or miss kind of shower opportunities, and they'll pick up a bit into the evening. There's that line kind of coming through late tomorrow evening where we could have some gusty winds. Rainfall amounts through 7 p.m. on Saturday, about an inch and 3/10, 4/10, maybe an inch and a half to maybe an inch and 3/4, roughly. So an inch and a quarter, we'll say, to an inch and 3/4. We'll wake up in the morning around 58, 59 degrees, high temperature fairly uniform. At around 77, Irvin 77, Lancaster and also at 77. 66 for high. We cool down a bit here Saturday and Sunday. We'll see those shower chances kind of tapering off a bit.